Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 from Sharekhan, BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. On the daily chart, crude oil has been consolidating within the range of 6,400 to 6,700 from the past 4 weeks. While trading with higher high formation, prices have reverted after taking the support of 6,400 levels, which makes it a crucial level to breach. Prices have the resistance around the recent high of 6,700 levels. The momentum indicator has a positive crossover as it moves from the oversold zone with a positive divergence supporting the bullish bias. Thus, any dip should be a buying opportunity to target the level of 6,700 with a reversal below the close of 6,550. Hence, we expect crude oil to trade with a positive bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.